Today I've got something special going on. Got me a couple of little teal right here. One got clothes on it, the other don't have no clothes. You might say it's a little naked. And here's what I'm gonna do today. We're gonna go ahead and deep fry these rascals. And I'm gonna show you how I'm gonna do it just as soon as we get back. Welcome to my show, Hot Dang. All right, the first thing I wanna do, I'm gonna domesticate these teals. We're gonna domesticate them. Make like they come out of the barnyard, you know, but hey, this is the best. Anyway, I always take some chicken broth before I start anything like this. And I like to kind of run some chicken broth over my teal. So look, when you're at the camp, make sure you either bring some canned chicken broth or bring you some regular chicken broth in this little package right here. Just remember, you got to have a way to put that on ice once you open it. Anyway, I'm going to let my little teals right here do their thing. Put the breast down and let them set for 30 minutes and I'll be back. Talk to you at the wire shack. All right, here we go. We're going to get started on this rascal. First thing I want to do is take my little birds. I'm going to put them back here and move everything on the side here. All my ingredients. I'm going to show them to you as we rock and roll. I don't have much working space. Anyway, I got these two birds right here. These two teals. I'm going to take them out of that chicken cologne and put them in here, or other words, chicken broth, you know. There you go. Put them right over there. All right, here we go. Now I clean the hell out of these birds. I clean the heck out of them. Got my grease getting hot. Oh yeah. I only frying peanut oil. Make sure you just do that, okay? First thing I want to start off with is salt. I like to salt my little birds real good. These little teals are awesome. Inside and out. And boy, I tell you what, they had a lot of fat. We're going to be deep frying these. And let me see what I've got. Yeah, I'm set at 325 degrees. That's good enough because I want them to cook good. It's not like I'm cooking a turkey, you know. But I salted the inside real good. I got garlic powder. Going to do the breast, garlic powder, and the back. Because in a minute I'm going to work all that in together. Now, some paprika. Got to have a little paprika. You know, old John used to say that it was for essence or whatever. He's right though, but I like it just because it's good. Black pepper. And don't be bashful with the black pepper. Just because you got a lot don't mean it's going to be real hot. You want to get the black pepper flavor in there. Well, listen to that jet. Must be coming. Pick me up. All right. Now I'm going to do some cayenne pepper. Good old cayenne. And again, you know, just be a little liberal, because don't forget, when you're at the camp, you're trying to impress all your buddies. Show them your cooking skills. Get on out there and do your thing. Man. Yeah, all right. Now we put a little cayenne. I'm missing something right now. I need some chili powder. Where can I get some chili powder? Cora, I need chili. Hey, look who's here.
Chili powder.
No airtime John, boy. He knows how to get into the picture.
That's the only way you can do it, is have something in your hand.
Damn. John, look here, man. I'm getting these birds, these little teals ready to deep fry. You like yours dressed or undressed?
I like it still dressed.
Like this?
No, undressed.
But that's
That one's undressed. It ain't got no clothes on.
Yeah, that's the one you want?
No, I want this one with the dress on.
You want dressed?
Yeah.
All right, John wants the one with the clothes on. Well, don't ask me.
and medium rare, Chef Bourque.
All right, you hang around because it's going to be medium rare.
All right.
I like to put a little chili powder in here, because don't forget all your major spices, that's all the things they got. Now, the next thing I'm going to do, mustardize. Got to mustardize these birds. If you notice, I'm a deep fry 'em, but I'm a deep fry 'em like I would if I had a turkey. And just pat it in there real good. Pat it in that breast. Pat it in there. All right, here we go. This one here is ready. That one there is going to be for Leo. Put it on the side right here. All right, this is the one John wants. And I tell you what, these are going to be spicy, 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 spicy.
That's good. I won't have any competition sharing it.
Oh no. That's right, that's right. Edie don't, your lady don't care for all them spices, huh? She's gonna have to do some fresh fish this evening.
Sound like a winner.
All right. Here we go. All right, let's see if that grease is hot enough right now. I'm going at 325 because I want it to cook good. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, now put it in slow, don't forget. All right, I'm gonna go. That don't weigh, the whole thing don't weigh but a pound. So I'm gonna give this thing here maybe 5 minutes. 5 minutes should do it for that. 5 minutes ought to be perfect, John.
Okay.
Get that little leg in there. You know, that's one thing about them little female teals. They like to show that leg. Get in there, you. You have to lay that little sucker down. Get around there, you. Go ahead. Get in there. Now we got it. Right.
It's giving you some fun. Now we have fun.
Yeah, we got it. Well, look at that. That thing's just like a little turkey. A good way that I find this, and I don't have any on hand right now, is to stuff it with some on-dewey links, about 3 links in there. Stuff it in there. Let it go. What you think, John?
Oh, yeah, that'll do it.
All right, because that'll do it. You know, because when you take it out to test it after a while, you can put a link to each of the little fellas around, or half a link, you know. If you don't like somebody there, don't give them none. You know, you ran out. But that's what you do at the camp. Anyway, we're going to let that cook a little bit. Look at that bird there.
Ooh.
That dang little teal is showing his rear. Get in there, you.
I'm sure that's my bird that's showing his rear.
Be right back. All right, here we go. This been going on 5 minutes. 5 minutes enough for me at 325. If you like it more, fry it more. All right, this is John's right here. Woo! Look at that rascal. Is that a beauty or is that a beauty? Oh yeah, and this the one that's not dressed. This one here don't have no skin on it. Look at him, boy. He just hanging out. Golden brown, golden brown, golden brown. That's what mustard does for you. Oh yeah, and I tell you, that flavor is gonna knock your socks off. I got to go. I got some fish to get ready to fry. Talk to y'all later. What you say, Johnny? Aye. Aye. Hot dang.